Hello everyone, let's talk about Leximin rule. What is Leximin rule? In simpler terms, it means making choices that will prioritize the needs or interests of those who are in the worst position. Based on the research by Kahana and Hazan from Department of Computer Science in Area University, they said that the Leximin rule always tries to help someone in a worse position to get some excellent, better, and improvement result. Let's move to the next subtopic, which is characteristic of the Leximin rule. The characteristic of Leximin rule applies a lexicographic ordering, which means that it considers the most important criterion first and only move to the next criterion if the first criterion does not distinguish between the available options. In the context of the Leximin rule, the first criterion is the well-being of the worst of individuals. The key characteristic of the Leximin rule include Pareto undominatedness of Lorentz superior distribution (PULSD), sub-percent optimality (SSO), and the last one is common ordinal invariance (COI). For better understanding, this characteristic known as fair and balanced distribution. When distributing benefits or resource among people, we prefer a distribution that is fair and balanced. If there is a way to divide the benefits more equally among individuals than the current distribution, we should consider that alternative as better. PULSD ensures that we prioritize fairness by avoiding options that significant differences in benefits. Second characteristic, also known as fairness and efficiency criterion. In this principle, it states that the selected option should not be considered worse than any other possible alternative according to everyone's preference. To more understand, if there is another option that everyone agrees is better, then the chosen solution is not considered optimal. SSO seeks to find a solution that is both fair and can satisfy all individuals involved. For the last one, common ordinal invariance (COI), or known as ordered-based consistency. It reflects the idea that the relative ordering of preference should remain consistent across different scenarios or contexts. It means that if an option is preferred to another option in one situation, it should remain preferred in any other situation where the attributes or conditions of the decision problem are the same. To make things more clear, let's dive into the simple situation. Here's an example of using the Leximin rule for choosing a pizza topping. They have pepperoni, mushroom, and tomato as an option. To apply the Leximin rule, we need to find the pizza topping that satisfies the most important criterion for at least one individual. Firstly, pepperoni has the highest score of 5 in taste, while tomato has score of 3. Since we prioritize the minimum value, we eliminate pepperoni from consideration because it does not satisfy the most important criterion according to the Leximin rule. Next, we compare the remaining option, mushroom and tomato, based on the second option, which is availability. Mushroom has a score of 2, while tomato has a score of 4. Once again, we prioritize the minimum value, so we eliminate the options of tomato. Finally, for the last process, we compare the options between mushroom and tomato, based on the last option, which is cost. Mushroom have a score of 4, while tomato have a score of 2. We prioritize the minimum value, so tomato has the lowest score. Based on the Leximin rule, tomato is selected as the preferred choice because it satisfies the most important option for at least one individual. Applying the Leximin rule involves arranging the possibilities according to each requirement, prioritizing the option with the lowest score in the most important option. By doing this, it guarantees that the choice is made based on satisfying the most critical option for at least one individual and promoting fairness, also equality in the process of making decisions. So that's all from me. Thank you.